Hello children, now second class mathematics. Second class mathematics. So what is our chapter children now? 13th chapter. 13th chapter. 13. Say 13 spelling children. THIRTEN. 13. You remember children numbers and spellings? Okay, learn children. So 13th chapter, length, 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 OF, LENGTH, length, OF, THINGS, 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 length of things. What is our chapter? Length of things. So what you know children, length? So how much this length? This board is length how much? Here to here we calculated. So that only this length. Understand? See here. Write the difficult words children first of all. Write difficult words. So what word will given? See here, first one. LENGTH, length. LENGTH, length. Say all of you children. LENGTH, length. CUBIT, cubit. CUBIT, cubit. In previous class I am already explaining children cubit. Cubit means this much only. This much will flowers will measure it only this like. So this here to here. Here to here to here. Cubit. CUBIT, cubit. CUBIT, cubit. MEASURE, measure. Measured only. MEASURE, measure. MORE, more. LESS, less. LESS, less. See children, what is this spelling? LENGTH, length. CUBIT, cubit. You know cubit. This one measure. MEASURE, measure. MORE, more. More having means more. LESS, less. Less. This much means more. This much having means less. Handspan. Handspan. HAND, hand, SPAN, handspan. Four fingers. FOUR, four. FINGURES. See here, this like will measure in all children. This like in your game, do you are measured this like? You are keeping 4 fingers, this like only keeping and measuring. Yes. 4 fingers. F-O-U-R-4, fingers. 4 fingers. See here. Foot. This boy will measure it only with foot. Understand this boy? Foot only? Yes. Foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Understand, children? T-H-I-N-G-S, things. So which thing we will be taking? The things only. Distance. D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E. Distance. D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E. Distance. Say all of you children. Read with me children. L-E-N-G-T-H, length. L-E-N-G-T-H, length. Second one, what children? Read with me. C-U-B-I-T, cubit. C-U-B-I-T, cubit. What is this children? C-U-B-I-T, cubit. M-E-A-S-U-R-E, measure. M-E-A-S-U-R-E, measure. M-O-R-E, more. M-O-R-E, more. L-E-S-S, less. L-E-S-S, less. H-A-N-D, hand. S-P-A-N, span, hand span. Hand span means this like we measure it. This like we measure it means, suppose this like we keeping means, here to here, this like we measure it only. Yes children? Are you know? 4 fingers. F-O-U-R-4, F-I-N, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-N-G-U-R-E-S, fingers. 4 fingers. This like only, 4 fingers. This like we measure it only. See here, this like. Okay, 4 fingers. Food. You know children, food. It's things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Whichever we are taking things to only, we measure with things only. Yes, distance. Distance. How much distance? Here to there. Like that. Say distance spelling. D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E. Distance. Write in your notebook children. All of you write in your notebook. Read and write compulsory children. L-E-N-G-T-H, length. C-U-B-I-T, cubit. M-E-A-S-U-R-E, measure. M-O-R-E, more. L-E-S-S, less. H-A-N-D, hand. S-P-A-N, span, hand span. F-O-U-R-4, F-I-N-G-U-R-E-S, 4 fingers. F-O-O-T, foot. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E, distance. D-I-S-T-A-N-C-E, distance. Okay children, you write and learn the spellings. Write all of you children. See children here. Measure and write. Here giving measure and write. See here, measure and write. Page number 102. serial number, name of the people, table here given, length of 4 fingers, 4 finger width, hand span, length of hand span, cubit also is there. So here children, name of the people. So write your name children here. I am saying example, my name only writing here. So Lavanya. So length of 4 fingers width. This 4 finger width, how much? This like we measured only here to here. So how much distance? In scale to measure it. So how much? 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. Length of hand span. Hand span is this length. So here keeping this like only. You keep dots and then measure it. So here to here. Don't keep in your book. Okay? In your on paper or whatever to 15 plus 2, 17 centimeters. Cubit means this like to measure, keep and measure and write. Okay? So your and your brother and your sister, they are given you and your families numbers. How much length, how much cubit, write children. Okay? Next one, estimate and first the. Are you understand children this one? So next one. The blackboard. Estimate the blackboard. Blackboard length cubit 2. See here. This like it. This like we measured and write. Okay. So in your home only having your children. So this one, that blackboard to leave it. So next a table. Table in your home to having children table. So that one only estimate the length and actual length. You write it children. Okay. Length of the classroom. Length of the classroom. So here length your room only. Okay. Don't estimate classroom, your room only you estimate and write. Okay. Okay children, any object you take and write. Okay children, are you understand? So which like this girl will measure, this woman will measure, this girl mother will measure, that cubits will different only. So here also hand span, finger span, 4 fingers, foots, cubits to measure. Okay children? Okay, next class to next topic I will explain children. Okay children.